good morning. So today I am going to give you operating demo of the higher anesthesia machine. Basically this is a Econa model. So before starting machine you have to check some basic parameters. So when you are just locate the machine near to T table, and after that you have to just lock the wheels properly. This is your first thing which you have to take care. After that, second, you have to connect all the gas modules, right? Each and every machine require oxygen, air or nitrous. You can use oxygen, air, otherwise oxygen or nitrous, okay? Depending upon your requirement. So now here only oxygen is available, that's why I have connected only oxygen. So these are the ports through which machine will receive the oxygen, nitrous or air. After that, how to on the machine. See, this is the basic front panel of the machine. This is the main switch from which you can on the machine. Right? Before switching on machine, you have to connect the power cord. See, this is the power cord. Switch on. And once you connect the power cord, it will blink like a green. That means it is connected to mains. Right? That means it is connected to mains. Right? Then you can switch on machine from this switch. Machine will take some time for switching on. Once it get on, you will see manual leak test. Each and everything has been shown on the display. You just perform one by one. Set the bag vent switch to bag. See, this is a bag vent switch. You have to set it at the bag, means like this, right? Second, connect the manual breathing bag onto bottom on the Y-shape connector. Set the patient in breathing circuit to the stopper front of Y-shape. So what is the second thing? You have to connect tubing to the inspiratory and expiratory section like this. Okay. Here is the Y piece. Now it's not there. Then shut off ACGO. You have to shut off all the gases. Then shut off all fresh gases, right? Push O2 until POG gauge value between 25 to 35. Right? So what you have to do? And after that, observe the reading on the screen. One minute. Right? And just continue. Start. Make unit vent mode. Connect Y piece. Hold it like this. Press O2, fill ventilator bellows oxygen. Shut off the fresh gas and start the automatic leak test and compliance test. Testing in progress. Forward any operating. Please hold on. Automatic leak test in progress. So you can observe the things. Yes, now see, vent leak 55 ml per minute. That means somewhere leakage is observed. What happened exactly? This tubing was open. That's why this leakage will be observed. Right? So we have to restart the test. Got it? So before that we have to flush the oxygen and start it again. You can observe the message. Test is in. Yes. Compliance test is in progress. Okay. Pass the testing. There is no issue. Now you can use the machine. So before connecting to patient, you can observe all the parameters by connecting test gun. So with each and every machine we have provided the test line. You just connect the test line and now this is the main screen. From here you can select adult or pediatric. Got it? You can adjust the weight according to that. Your data volume and all the things will be set. So these are the modes. There are different modes: VCV, PCV, SI and V, pressure support, SI and V, pressure plus pressure support. Right? So now we just select the VCV mode and we just start. See, all these indicates the settings which you have to done, right? Which you have to done. Now 460 I have set, and these are the settings which are coming from the patient. Now 460 is the tidal volume which is set by user, and 464 which is coming from the patient. Got it? These are the tidal volumes, these are the peak and everything. You can observe the waveforms here. Now this machine will be give O2 sensor disconnection or failure alarm is there because this cable is not connected. There is some problem in the FiO2, that's why it is not showing the FiO2. These are the basic control panels. You can silent the alarm from here, monitor values. See, these are the different values are there. You can observe by switching on this machine. Alarm settings. These are the different alarm settings. Then system lock, ventilator settings, system setting. Got it? And these are the central supply monitoring gauge. Sometimes what happen, machine gives low oxygen or something, low air alarm. What happen, now oxygen is connected, so you can observe the deflection here, and nitrous and air is not connected, that's why it is on the 0 values. Got it? This is on off switch. This is for the N2O control, oxygen control and air control. You can observe here, right? And so one more thing, suppose you want to use the bands. This is the actually band circuit, right? You just convert into AGS, you will get the oxygen from here. There is one more auxiliary oxygen port also. You can use oxygen from this port also. Got it? So this is basic machine, and which is very advanced as well as very easy for the operating and use. So as a biomedical engineer, I will recommend to you, once its color get changed, you have to change the soda lime. So for the changing the soda lime, it's a very simple method. Before just opening it, make machine standby. So always you have to follow one standard practice. When you want to switch off the machine, what you have to do, you just take one precaution, that is make the machine standby and then go for switch off. And one more thing you can observe here now. See, this is a combination O2 N2O or O2 air. Manually also you can adjust, and there is with help of software you can adjust. So how to change the soda line? So it's a very basic and similar to each and every machine. See, there is an arrow, right? At the right side it get locked, at the left side it get unlocked. So you have just to rotate it like this. Got it? Remove the soda line, change it, check the filter, and after completion of this you can fix it like this properly. Rotate it. Sometimes what happen, if you are not fixing it properly, some leakage will be observed from this side and your leakage test will not pass. So tight it properly. Okay, so all these things are basic things regarding to the operating of this machine. Okay, sure, thank you.